Ang tawag po natin dun sa podcast is Seagulls Community Podcast. Bakit Seagulls? Dahil one of my students when we're doing this parang live session and Q&A doon sa private group natin, isa sa kanila nag-suggest nga, "Sir, para maganda po yung seagulls kasi yung crab kasi 'di ba hilaan pababa, yung mga seagulls naman hilaan pataas." So, ganun yung parang naging concept niya. And yung goal ng podcast is to invite entrepreneurs and leaders in the community, leaders in different agencies ng government or mga private corporations para makakuha tayo ng wisdom and knowledge. To lessen the failures and to lessen the experiments na gagawin natin, let's invite the people who already started on that industry or on that niche. And then tanungin natin sila in actual, ano bang ginawa nyo para matapos nyo yung level 1 at makapag-level 2 kayo dun sa business nyo. And that way, we're helping everyone to start the entrepreneurship journey and to start whatever career or niche yung gusto nilang gawin. So, yun yung pinaka-goal ng podcast. So, join nyo yun, guys. Seagulls Community, nasa YouTube. Still under my name, yung playlist lang is Seagulls. We're also available in Spotify. Pangalan po ng podcast is Seagulls. So, support nyo yun, guys, no? Share nyo lang yun.